Good morning, everyone. If you don't know me, it's hashtag outside_AJ. Now, today we're going to talk about what are NFTs. Long story short, the best way I can explain it, first of all, is if you ever rode a bus in your life, or you ever been to the laundromat, or somewhere like that where it was coin operated machines, and you had to exchange your dollars for a coin or for a token. NFTs are non-fungible tokens, but they're your non-fungible tokens. And they also are collectibles. So if you used to collect baseball cards or Barbies or watches or whatever cars, whatever you collect, whatever you consider a collectible, that's what NFTs are. NFTs are digital collectibles. For an example, if you were to tell your life story on camera or in a book or a digital book, and you wanted to just leave it down for your family, and maybe 200 years from now, I'm pretty sure they're still going to be using digital items the same way we still use physical items. Some people still collect records and jewelry and so on and so on. So that's pretty much the two sides to an NFT. um, an NFT is your own personal digital token where people can purchase them. They'll give you, they'll put their cash into the system, into the blockchain, and whichever wallet they choose to use, and which I'm starting to learn is uh, MetaMask is the most used wallet in my opinion. It seems like it's the most popular wallet that a lot of people use for crypto in general. Now, I had to get to the point where I had to teach everyone a little bit, and if you have any questions, put them down in the comments, and I'll do another video and answer the questions on, hopefully I explained them the right way. If you used to catch the train or the bus or trolley, whatever, if you went to an arcade and you got coins, those coins, you're only allowed to spend those tokens or those coins in that business, or like if you catching some public transport, on that subway system, you can't take that coin to the store. And maybe some stores, I know back in the day, they used to honor, kind of, they know what the worth of that token, and probably might give you cash for your tokens. But in general, the idea is that whatever product or whatever files that you create, you can attach that to a token, your own personal token. You call it whatever you want, and then if people want to buy that, they can buy that as a collectible. So, and later on in life, if they say, hey, I got this, I know this person, I bought one of their collectibles, is a memory of you, partially, because the longer this thing lasts, until it just like you just came from physical trading physical cards, now we trading digital cards. Until that happens to the next phase and people still doing, that makes the physical cards even worth make them even more valuable. But yeah, that's the best way I can kind of explain it to you, what an NFT is. And if you have any questions on, like I said, leave them in the comments. I'll do other videos to show you exactly how to create an NFT, because I got some coming, so I had to educate everyone. And also, before I go, so the beauty behind NFTs are, once you sell your NFT or someone buys your NFT, you always get 20%. If I buy an NFT from you, if you have an NFT for sale and I purchase your NFT and you sold it to me for about $100, and that's probably what I'm gonna sell mine for, somewhere in that ballpark, around $100. And I turn around and I sell it to somebody else. Each and every time that NFT has a transaction, you still collect the 20% off the price, the sell price. I bought it from you for $100 and then I sold it for $200, so I sold it for $150. You still get the 20% off the $150. It's called a smart contract. That's a whole nother conversation. But these are what NFTs are. Again, I hope I explained it to you the best way. I'm going to keep trying to educate on what they are, because I have NFT products that I want to let go very, very soon. So if you've been following me, you've been seeing the changes in all my platforms, whatever platform you follow me on. you see a little bit of changes, that's because I'm gearing up to let loose a whole bunch of different businesses and number one NFTs, because everything that I'm trying to do is going to be attached to an NFT. It's going to be pretty interesting. Please like and share if you find this video, if you like the video, and thanks, peace and blessings.